What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the last video. And guys, yeah, today we're gonna be doing an awesome video, and I'm here with my brother. Say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and yeah, we're doing another tutorial.
Yeah, and today's tutorial is gonna be on how to win every single game of Murder Mystery 2, guys. Alright, guys, so yeah, Wario's also not here again, sadly, because he died because he got choked by Skype. So yeah, guys, I'll see you there in the game. Alright, guys, another in the game. I'm my brother, and brother, are you the murderer?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, alright, so if we look in the back here, as you can see, he has the fucking knife. Yeah, I'm so scared. So yeah, try to get me, brother. This is how you win, guys. Pause! Whoa, see, he's paused now. Now, he's never gonna kill anyone else again. Guys, that's all for the tutorial, and you won't actually get banned by Roblox, because if you have two-step verification on, none of them mean hackers can kill you. So yeah, what's wrong for videos?